Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and essential tutorial, how to change your email on your Ring account in 2025. Whether you're switching emails for better security, a new job, or just a fresh start, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and stress-free. Ring is a popular smart home security system, and updating your email is crucial for staying in control of your notifications and account access. So, let's jump right in. First, ensure you're logged into your Ring account. You can do this via the Ring app on your smartphone or through the Ring website on your computer. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. In the app, tap the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines in the top corner, and select Account or Settings from the options. Next, find the section labeled Personal Information or Email Address. This is where you'll see your current email. Tap or click on it to edit. Carefully enter your new email address, making sure there are no typos, and then save the changes. Ring will likely send a verification code to your new email for security purposes. It's their way of confirming it's really you. Now, check your new email inbox for that verification code. If you don't see it, glance in your spam or junk folder. Once you have the code, enter it back into the Ring app or website to complete the verification process. And just like that, your email is updated. If you encounter any hiccups, like an error message or if the code doesn't arrive, try logging out and back in, or ensure your account isn't linked to other services that might need updating too. If problems persist, reach out to Ring's support team. They're usually helpful and responsive. There you go, you've now successfully changed your email on your Ring account. This simple update keeps your smart home setup running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.